How you doing? It's Howie here with EcoZapp again, and we are here in College Station, Texas, doing a install of a heating and air conditioning system. Now, this house has some particular issues that we're going to be solving today. There's a lot of windows, and this house faces west, and so it gets the afternoon sun. Its students live here, so they are always closing the door, so their rooms are always getting hot. So what we're going to do is we're putting in a new AC system. It was significantly undersized, so we've got it sized correctly. And what we're also doing is putting return air from in those rooms that are always hot in the summertime and cold in the wintertime. We're taking care of that problem by adding return air. So what that does is it circulates the air in those rooms when the doors are closed, so it can heat and cool the air properly, and all the rooms in the house tend to stay a much more even temperature throughout. So why don't we go ahead and go in the attic and take a look at what the guys are doing up there and see what it's all about. Alright, so we are up here in the attic of this particular install, and you can see my guys have the furnace done. They have the evaporator coil done. The evaporator coil is what cools the air. You have your furnace here that heats the air and also moves the air, whether you just have your fan, AC, or heat going. Then you have a big gap right here. Now what we're doing with this gap here is putting in a whole home filtration, so they no longer have to replace filters in there. This filter will get changed once every about 6 months, 5 to 6 months depending. Then you have your return air box here. Now on the return air box, you have one duct coming in, and that has the one return, but that's in the hallway, so it keeps the main house cool, but not the bedrooms. So what we're doing is adding 3 more ducts to this that's going to be able to pull the air from those bedrooms to heat and cool the house properly and keep all the rooms of roughly the same temperature.